Hey guys, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today we're going to be doing a second year annual tradition of packing with me for my college dorm. This year I'm going to be living in an apartment, so I'm so excited for that, and I have a lot more to move than last year, so if you haven't checked out my last year's video, I'll link it up here on the iCards and also down below. You want to see some cringy Claire, you can go watch that. Hey guys, it's Claire from Clairified Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a little pack with me video for college since I'm going to be moving into the dorms in just a few days now, which is absolutely crazy. But anyways, I have so much to pack and I have 6 days before I move in, which is so crazy. If you guys don't know, I go to college at the University of Tennessee Knoxville and I'm an upcoming sophomore for a nursing major. So let's get started. I have a lot to do. Okay guys, so the first thing that I need to do is move all of my things out of the spare room into my actual room so I can kind of sort through everything and make it more organized. We're gonna be super realistic here because this is the reality of moving, at least for me. Wow, as you can see, this is the entire mess that I've accumulated over these past 5 months. Since I have successfully transported all the things from the spare room, now I have a giant mess in my room. Yeah, this is what it's currently looking like. We have everything all over the floor. And the worst part about this, none of it's really organized. I kind of just threw everything in the spare room so I wouldn't have to think about it. But now I actually have to go back and see what exactly I need and what I don't need for the apartment. So we're gonna go do that. I'd like to personally interrupt this program for a quick bite of delicious nutritiousness. I'm having a Goo Goo bar and these Goo Goo clusters are so good. I got them at Cracker Barrel for $2. Marshmallow, caramel, chocolate. What more could you ask for? We're slowly but surely making some progress. As you can see behind me, I have pretty much all of my bedding organized. I do have to find some containers for this giant thing. We might just carry that actually because it does have a handle. There's really no need to put a box in it. But all these extra pillows and then my sheets, I'm going to need to find a box for that. So I think I'll do that later. But right now, I'm going to start organizing all my school/desk supplies. And I'm going to put it in the same backpack I did last year. So if any of you guys saw my video last year, you'll know I used this backpack to put in all my desk things. And it worked great because, you know, I needed this anyway. So why not go ahead and pack everything in it to try and save some space. 3:50, you guys. It's almost 4 o'clock and I barely have anything done. I better start hustling. Part of being a nursing student is owning way too many markers that probably don't even work. As you can see, I have about at least 10 markers to go through, and I'm gonna get rid of all the ones that aren't working because I'm pretty sure that none of them actually work. Recently, I got way more markers so that way I'm going to be prepared for the new school year. I went through all of the markers and this is the end result. You can see all of the tests. And I'm ending up keeping 4 out of 10 markers were actually good. So a lot more than I thought it would be, but you know, still not the best. You don't want to keep 6 bad markers, so we're going to chuck these in the trash. I decided to actually do things the right way this time, and I bubble wrapped everything. Just like last year, I was originally just going to put everything in my backpack, but after some careful consideration, I decided that probably wasn't going to be the smartest move because I do have some breakables in here. So up close view of the Clairified Creations backpack for the 2020 through 2021 school year. Ta-da! All of my backpack/desk supplies are in here. Then I also have my school backpack, which just has regular everyday supplies. But this is mainly for my desk, and guys, it is so heavy. Hopefully this thing doesn't break because, I mean, it's not the sturdiest, I wouldn't say. It's meant for light travels, and this thing is definitely anything but light. So we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed it'll hold up through move-in day. And now I'm just going to continue with this mess behind me. So far we are actually making progress even though it doesn't look like it. I wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what my suitcase looks like before I can never get it open again until move-in day. But it is jam-packed with all these things, so storage containers, laundry basket, some command hooks, my rug. I actually managed to stuff my rug in there somehow. Don't ask me how, but now here's the fun part. We're gonna see if it actually will shut. Oh my goodness, guys, it's very, very heavy. I think it weighs over 50 pounds. Let's see if we can get the rest. Oh boy. I don't know, guys. Will this work? Oh my goodness, it zipped. This is probably not going to be open for another 6 more days because I honestly think if I try and redo it, it's not going to work out. So I'm glad I got that done. So things are actually starting to look a little bit better. So you can see I've organized that corner, and this is probably going to go over there too. Still have to get my clothes. I think I'm probably going to have to save that for tomorrow because it is 4:30 already. Move it in, guys. College. It's gonna start soon, and if you're wondering why my cheeks are super red and I'm very sweaty, it's because it's 82 degrees up here. Yeah, it's super hot up here because, you know, as hot air rises, and it's around 90-ish degrees here in Tennessee as it is. My goodness, I think something's wrong with our air conditioning. Whew, I'm gonna take a break and try and finish this up. I still have so much more to do though, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop for tonight, and then I'll catch up with you guys later and finish the rest of it. Well, I'm back, and I think I've decided to go ahead and do a few more things before I call it a night. It is around 6-ish, 6:30-ish, and I just had dinner a little while ago. My mom made some really amazing chili, so thanks, Mom. You're pretty cool. Now we're going to start packing all the things that go in my bathroom and try and get that at least organized. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually pack everything, but I want to make sure I get everything out. That way I don't have as much to do tomorrow. So let's get started once again. I'm currently going through some more things for my bathroom, and I'm going to show you guys what all I have packed. All of my lotions, contacts, my towels that are in this suitcase. We just have some makeup that I never use, some lotion that I do use daily. It's by Aveeno. Highly recommend this. It's definitely saved me a few times in this very beautiful stylish camo case because, as you guys know, I absolutely love camo. Fun fact about this case, I got this for Christmas one year with some sunglasses, and I found it in my drawer just now, so it's gonna be my new glasses case because I can't find my other one. This is currently my packing state. Completely exhausted because it's been a few hours and I'm very, very hot because it's still 82, guys. 82 degrees Fahrenheit. I found my glasses case. Guess where it was? It was in here all along, just hiding, waiting for it to be found. So I'm definitely going to be taking this one over the camo one. I think I'm going to use my camo one just as a backup. So I might take it. I might leave it here just in case. Yay for finding things. That's always a good thing when you're moving. You never know what you're going to find or uncover. My bag is finally complete, at least for the most part. There's still a couple last minute items that I'm probably going to need to pack, but I have to wait on those. So like my contact solution, I can't exactly pack 6 days in advance. And the same thing with my glasses, I kind of need those. But here's what my suitcase looks like all organized. Ta-da! Wow. That's probably it for today's portion, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2. Good afternoon, guys. It is day 2 of the packing process, so we can see everything is pretty much organized, but I'm going to take you downstairs and show you what else I have down there, and that is mainly for my kitchen and bathroom things. So let's go downstairs. So guys, this is my little corner that my mom packed for me. As you can see, she made an entire list of everything that she packed. Look at all that. So Mom, if you're watching, thank you. That is a huge help. I definitely wouldn't have thought of all that. And you can see I have some kitchen things over here, some things for coffee right there. And then all of this is also going to be kitchen. There's some cleaning. And I'll open this up. Wow. It is just jam-packed of everything I could ever need. Like I told you earlier, I do have a lot of things to get packing. I also forgot to mention I'm going to be bringing this really cute little aloe plant to liven up the place. While my mom is running out to get some shampoo and conditioner, things like that for my luggage suitcase, we're gonna go and start with the clothes. My idea for the clothes is to put everything into a clear plastic tub so that way I can organize it and fold things and they won't be too messy. You know what I'm saying? My clothes are halfway packed, so that's really good. I mainly just packed some of my pajamas, so I got that in this clear tub right over here. Now that I got everything folded, I'm gonna start doing the least favorite part, which is actually getting my clothes for my closet done. I think I'm gonna get another suitcase. I already have 3 suitcases that I've packed, but we're gonna add a 4th one because why not? Then I also have to go through my shoes, which I don't have very many shoes, so that shouldn't be too big of a problem. But this is pretty much the last of it. I know I definitely have a little bit more to go, but overall this packing process is going well. Guys, comment down below if you think that this suitcase will be big enough. It is a ginormous case, and this is actually one of the last suitcases we own in this house. So thankfully I have this one, and I think it'll be big enough. But my goodness, I have just so many suitcases that I'm packing. This behind me is my shoe rack, and you can see that there's only 3 shoes on there. I told you guys I'm not much of a shoe person. I'd rather spend my money on other things because they're just shoes, right? Whoever portrays moving as glamorous is not telling the truth. This is real life. For now, I'm going to start sorting through some more clothes and doing my laundry to catch up, make sure I don't forget anything because that would be very sad. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you on move-in day. Bye! Lighting. I'd like to personally interrupt the... What is going on there? Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. What is going on? I'd like to personally interrupt. Guys, this is my version of chucking things in the trash. I completely missed the trash can, and look where it ended up. Yeah, 2 got in the trash can. Wow. One thing, if you didn't know about Clairified Creations, is she cannot throw anything to save her life. Oh boy. And we're zipping it up. Lighting. Very nice clear tub that you cannot see. We're gonna go and see how that's gonna... Cheesecake. Oh man. Please don't break the wall. Oh man, I'm just ruining everything here. Moving is not glamorous. And the light is shining on it. Wow, that was very graceful.